Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice again. Today I will be unboxing iPhone 16. So let's get started. So I have received the iPhone 16 in the mail. So I am going to unbox. So this is the box. And where are we going to start opening? So there's always in iPhone, they have this flap. They will give you, Apple gives you this flap. That's where you start opening the box. So I will open it. And then I am going to, I try to avoid using scissors or knife because you don't want to, scratch anything or whatever. So once I open the flap, it does allow me to open the box. And there you go. There is the iPhone 16 in there. So I will take out the box, which fits perfectly. So I think Apple has made custom packaging for the mail. So it fits right in. So here's my iPhone 16. Now here we go. Wow, looks amazing. And again, if you look at iPhone 16, there is that green arrow. That's where we will be opening this box. So basically you lift it and you pull it away from you. So I'm not using any scissors so far, no knife, nothing. And now the box should open because I don't see any other thing that's blocking it. So it does open, there you go. So there it opens. And now you can see how there is that other one, another arrow that I could have opened, but I didn't need to. So there's my iPhone 16. So it does look white, but I think we ordered black, but I'm not sure. Let me just open. So what color? So there is a covering for the screen. And there we go. There's iPhone 16. Oh, so it is a white color. So I thought we ordered black, but I guess I must not have. I don't remember. It was some time ago. So it's a white iPhone 16. And what does it come with? So here's the packaging. So it comes with wire. And it does come with, that little pin that you take out your SIM card and everything. So those are the only two things that it comes with. So there you go. This is my iPhone 16. And apparently the camera is the biggest difference between iPhone 15 and 16. So the camera apparently is very, very good in iPhone 16. So I will, once I charge it, use it, I'll do another video on a review on how I feel about this, but I think it's very similar to iPhone 15, but the camera is the only difference. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel and sharing my video with your family and friends.